Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for GoWish. So let's dive into the video right away. Open your GoWish application and from the main home page, tap on the login button at the bottom. You will then get 4 options to continue with. Tap on login with email option at the top. Now, it'll prompt you to enter your email and password. If you have your credentials correct, you will be able to log into your account right away. But if you don't remember your password during the login process, you can easily reset to a new one. Tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the password box and it'll prompt you to enter your email. Type in your email address associated with your account and tap on Forgot Password one more time. Now it'll take you to a new page where you'll need to click on the Reset Password button at the bottom and a password reset link will be sent to you via email. Now you can go ahead and open up your email service provider application or a website, and then once you are logged in, you will be able to receive an email from GoWish. So tap on it to open it up and then tap on this Reset Password link. Select the web browser from the options and it'll take you to a new page where you can enter a new password. Type in a new password you'd like to use for your account, and once you are done creating a password, repeat the new password that you just created again in the next field. Now, tap the next button and you will be able to log into your GoWish account with the new password. Which means next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly created password. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.